top of it, top of it, top of it. Now back to the business, man. It's your boy, Coach One Stack, man, AKA I'm him, Uncle One Stack. You can call it whatever you want to. And I made a video the other day about, these women and how a lot of men in my inbox are, talking about, hey, my girl is tripping. I think she want to leave. And I told you guys that, a woman don't really want to leave, because she has time invested. But let me give you some real game, y'all. Don't chase her, replace her. Hey, man, when these women are sitting up here getting out of pocket with y'all, man, when they over here trying to shit test you, when they over here trying to test your manhood, and they thinking, and they're not even, they won't even treat you like the man that you're supposed to be, hey, the best thing you could do is replace her. Don't chase her. If she want to leave, you let her walk right out that door and hold it open for her. Because guess what, man? To me, hey, Jack, she looked better going than she did coming. Can you dig it? And for every woman that don't like what you have to offer as a man, every woman that don't like what you have to offer as a king, guess what? It's 10,000 more that will sit up here, kneel at your knees and treat you like the king that you're supposed to be. But see, a lot of y'all simps out here make it bad for the real ones, right? Because these women, man, treat y'all like dirt. They talk to you like dirt. They don't respect you. Matter of fact, they don't even view you as a man. And a lot of this is a lot of this is your fault. It's your fault. Because, y'all sit here, man, you don't do manly things like take care of your business, right? You want your woman to be your mama, and your mama is not your woman. If you cannot stand up as a man and figure shit out, right? You got to learn how to figure out shit as a man. You got to be bold as a man, right? You have to be sharp as a man. As a man, you should be sharper. You should be the sharpest person in the house, because how can your woman look up to you if you laying on the ground because you happy where you at on the ground? It just doesn't work like that. You dig what I'm saying? But hey, if your woman is taking you through there, man, and trying to disrespect you and disrespect you and make you lose your composure and not acknowledging you as the king you supposed to be, and she want to leave, tell her bye-bye. You look better going than you did coming. Don't chase her, replace her. Now that's something different. What I'm saying is, when every relationship is gonna have, its ups and downs, its arguments, its disagreements, and you're supposed to. That's how you know you have a strong woman. Don't nobody want a yes woman or a yes man, because there's no respect. We're supposed to have different perspectives on things, right? Because that's what makes us human, and we're not supposed to agree with everything. But that don't mean that we got to fight about it. Do you dig what I'm saying? That is a healthy relationship right there. But, man, some of you men is out here simping, man. These women is using y'all to go out to eat. They using y'all to go out to eat at their favorite restaurant. They using y'all to go to a concert. They using y'all to ride in y'all car. They using you to go on trips. And a lot of y'all simps, man, flying women cross country, man, just to think that you're going to be doing some tricking off. And, man, you're not even going to get to smell the poo nanny. Can you dig what I'm saying, man? Stop chasing and replace. I keep telling you all the time, like who like you. If you like who like you, man, you will have a much better life. You dig what I'm saying? Now, most men spend their time running after the woman that is running away from them instead of running towards the woman that's chasing them. Now, where do we do that at? That's asshole backwards. Because if you're running towards the woman that's chasing you, that means she like you. And when a woman likes you, man, she's going to bend over backwards for you. Because she's a woman, it's in her nature to nurture. But you would rather go chase this chick, Let me lay this out here for you, man. I couldn't be more real. My younger days, as a fly young man, even off into my 20s, because I really quit running the streets when I was in my 20s, like mid-20s. What I would do when I went somewhere with my friends and we went to a party, because we was the popular crew, man, I go right over there and I get the fat girl. I go right inside the party. That's when big girls really wasn't, really popping. But I'm here to tell you, man, hey, the first woman I ever saw in lingerie was a thick chick, and she was bad as hell with hair damn near down to her ass. And I still put her up against any regular sized girl to this day. Bad. First woman I ever seen with lingerie. Big girl, can you dig it? But big girls wasn't popular back then, right? But I go to a party, man, I'll go get the big girl. I will go to the group, because in every group of girls, guys, you're gonna have the one who thinks she know everything, she thinks she the baddest. You're gonna have one that's a man hater. Then you might have a big girl in the crew. You're gonna have one that's perceived to be the ugly girl in the crew. Me, I will go snatch right a hole to the one that's supposed to be the ugly one in the crew, or the fat girl, or the one that the fine friends think ain't nobody gonna talk to. Because me being who I am, man, it don't stop the flow of my game at all. Hey, man, because now once I go talk to that woman, now I got the whole crowd, or I got the whole room looking at me like, damn, what is it about her? Man, that's how you start making women feel a little bit insecure. She's like, well, damn, damn, he ain't talking to me, but he talking to her. She weigh 400 pounds. You damn right, because she got personality. And at the end of the day, if you planning on getting married and having a long-lasting relationship, the woman that you choose to spend the rest of your life with, to lay in the bed with, is one of the most big, important decisions, if not the most important decision of your life. And it don't have to be the finest woman, man. Can you dig what I'm saying? And I love a beautiful, natural woman. You dig? But what I'm saying is, fellas, stop chasing and learn how to replace. Hey, man, see, when you start chasing, when she start throwing those threats out there, I'm tired of this, well, I'm tired of that. Well, you need to go where you're not tired. Because truth be told, you look better walking out that door than you did when you came in the door. And anyway, when she walk out the door, man, all that do is give another young lady a chance for greatness. But see, that got to be in you, not on you. You got to have that type of mentality, y'all. And I can't help your mentality, as a dude. You have to have that mentality that you are the king, that you are the prize, that you are the catch. And the woman that you're dealing with has to have that same mentality, that she is her. She is that woman. She is the catch. And if both of y'all have that mentality, man, y'all gonna vibe together. But if she thinking she the ish and you got low self-esteem, man, she gonna run over you all day long. And I'm here to tell you, don't no woman want a man that she can run all over. She will not respect you. She's gonna talk about you to her friends. She's gonna tell her friends how she's using you for money. She's gonna laugh at you behind your back. She's never gonna hold your hand. She's not gonna kiss you in public. She's gonna control you with that cookie down there, man. But when you a real live Scorpio, like your boy over here, man, I'm doing the stinging. Can you dig what I'm saying? I'm doing the stinging. You dig? So when I sting, believe you've been stung. So a lot of you men gotta really just get it in your mind that, hey, you are that person. You are him. I am him. You are him. And you need to find that person that says, I'm her. Can you dig it? And the rest, and the scragglers, you let them go, man, because they for the streets anyway. Most of these women, man, they don't have no education. They house nasty as hell. They get their nails done every week, but yet they have no substance, no type of conversation. And if you took them to a restaurant, they wouldn't even know which silverware to eat with, man, when there's more than one. Can you dig it? And the last thing I'm going to say, what tripped me out about a lot of these women, especially when they want to be halfway bougie, y'all, and they over here, man, drinking that wine. See, hold up, sit still, man. Let me get a wine glass real quick. Let me help y'all out. This is the part that get me, man, about y'all when y'all dealing with a bougie woman and she gets her wine, right? She gets her wine poured. And you see that woman, she grabbed that wine like this and she started drinking. Well, that's a woman that's not cultured and not really as bougie as she thinks she is. Because when you get your wine, you hold it by the stem of the glass. Why is that? When you hold it right here, it's going to warm your wine. When you hold it right here, there's an etiquette to smell your wine, taste your wine, and spit it out. Now, hey, man, you can let her spit the wine out, but don't let her spit your wine out, if you dig what I'm saying, man. Y'all like this content, man? Join the channel, man. Follow the channel, because all I'm doing is giving you real live game, so you're not here looking lame. You dig what I'm saying? But other than that, man, y'all have a blessed day. Don't chase them, replace them.